Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick little worth hype review. I know it's been a minute, of the L'Oreal Infallible powder. This is the powder foundation. It became really popular on TikTok. I've actually had mine for several months now and I'm really late to the game. I have a big indent in mine. And it does actually come with underneath here you do get a little sponge, and I actually use the sponge and I like the sponge that it comes with. Also a mirror. But I think I got this for around $12, I'm pretty sure. I love this. I actually think this is great. In comparison to most powder foundations, I do think the shade range is way better than how most powder foundations are. They normally are just a handful of shades. Could be even better, of course, but nothing's as good as Fenty. You guys always ask me to address different shade ranges and stuff. I try my best to, but it is definitely way better than most powder foundations. I actually found the shade range to be decent. At least at my Ulta, it had a decent, display. It's supposed to be a full matte coverage waterproof powder foundation. I actually really love this. When I made a video, I think it was a few months back, I had this on and I really liked it. And I actually get a lot of compliments on my skin when I wear this, so it must do something where it looks really good. But I actually like the powder poof, or whatever you want to call this. I like this. As you can tell, I use it a lot. It's gross, but I really like it. Especially it comes in handy. I could just throw this in my purse. That's actually where this was in my purse. Because if I'm out and about, I'm not gonna bring a liquid foundation or anything. I'm gonna touch up with a powder. I pretty much have a little to-go kit of certain things I like to keep in my bag where it's really easy. And this is an easy makeup where if you're out somewhere or something you need to touch up, this is perfect. I also liked wearing more of a powder thing, especially during the times where we had to wear a lot of masks and all that. I really liked this better than wearing a liquid foundation. It just kind of worked a little better. It was more, there was less transfer onto a mask, so that's on a side note. So yeah, I did like that. But all around, this is worth the hype. This is really good. Nice to see L'Oreal come out with another good product. I remember when their true match foundations were such a thing when I first started watching YouTube. Those little bottles and everyone would dot them on their face, and it was such a thing. I was one of those people. I loved it. So it's really nice to see them do this. I actually really liked this product. I really liked their Infallible when it comes to the matte in the little squeezy tubes, and the Lumi one, whatever it's called. The dewy one with the blue, not the red. I really liked both of those. I thought they were both amazing. The matte one did have a better shade selection, though, than the dewy one. Do you hear my dog sneezing? All around, I can see why I had the hype. I can actually see that it's worth it, and I think a lot of people would really like this, especially even if you're newer to makeup, or you just don't like the whole liquid foundation feel, or you're just not a big fan of that. I feel like you'd like this, and you don't have to make it full coverage. You can just lightly, use a brush and just kind of lightly dust it on. You don't have to use the sponge to give the full effect. You can, kind of change it to what you want. Obviously, it's still going to be more of a coverage because it is more a full type of coverage. You will have more even with the brush, but it's not going to be as extreme then, so you can make it a little bit with a lighter hand. But all around, I really like it. Thumbs up over here, and it was nice to try this out. I'll probably definitely pan this. This will probably be a repurchase for me because I like having a powder product. But thanks so much for watching. I know this review is so late. It's months late, and I'm so sorry. But thank you guys so much, and please be sure to comment and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts of this. Alright, thanks. Bye.